Okay, hi guys. Today we're gonna start earlier, and today is Friday, and I'm gonna make a really brief introduction to a new feature, how to make money with discovering why stock moved today. It's kind of the feature I really like because every time I trade, I really want to know why stock moved. If I don't know, then it's kind of a dangerous to trade. Okay, so that's going to be a talk today. My name is Sergey Savastyuk, and I'm going to talk about the features at Tickeron. Our legal information you can find on our website. And today I call this demo Why Stock Moved Today. So you can find us on Twitter or platform X, YouTube, Facebook for free daily signals. And I will talk about where to find and how to find our significant moves for the purposes of trading. We provide daily buy-sell signals and the new feature is blocks, and then how to ask the question why. Okay, so why don't we start? This is the screen which you can see after you register for free. We really welcome people who do that. And then you get to your home watch list, which you can really fill it out either with our ideas or with your own ideas and track your records. And you see KLA10 core I added on April 17, 2025. It's 200%. Micron 82%. It's April 2026. Since April 82%. Western Digital 52%. February 2026. You see, so it's kind of old records. And Johnson & Johnson 54%. June 29, 2025. It's kind of more than a year. Okay, so this is our really recent feature where we add interesting stocks to follow, and these ideas which we generate with our AI. And we do these days evaluate what's going to happen with companies which are going to be reporting earnings. So the week is over, and as you can see, out of 5, pretty much 4 gave a really good performance. Then here are the stocks for the so-called, I call it anti-bubble protection, but looks like these days the S&P 500 is moving really well. Almost 80% of the companies which reported earnings doing really well. You can read about that at our Twitter account, okay? So then there's a lot of interesting ideas right here on the page of the trending stocks. Then these are the trading robots, which you can follow, okay? So next, why do you need to know and what's going on with stocks, okay? Let's approach from blocks. So I click here, trending blocks. It's actually our new design. And as you can see, you have here plenty of interesting dynamics and explanations why. So for instance, coherent today surge 13.4%, and it's August 7, 2026. This company, Natural Grocers, minus 12%, okay? So when you see this type of moves, you can come up with an approach, what's going on, and then trade. Let's say Matthews International, minus 15%. So it's like Instagram, where you can scroll it on a small screen and see what's going on. For instance, Palantir moved today. Why Palantir moved today? Okay, or why, for instance, Quidel Ortho moved minus 24. makes sense or it doesn't make sense to trade. And that's what our blocks are all about. Okay. So that means you click blocks and then trading blocks and you're in business. Then wealth insight. So what it means we here provide more in-depth analysis of our robots and our ideas which relate quite a lot to our trading agents, which are trading on a fully automatic mode. As you can see, some of the robots 289%, 198%. And so, for instance, we provide this type of in-depth analysis of stocks for this week, which could be winners. So we claim the stocks before they move. Okay. So now we're going to move to the next place where you can find significant moves. It is a daily trade signal feed. So you click here on the daily buy sell signals and you get here. So for instance, one of the things I like here, you can find, for instance, insider trading. So a lot of people executive trade with tracking these buyers and sellers, and then we report to you in the same format. People are trading. You're going to be able to find out what's going on. So that means the entire feed has this type of on the right, this type of interesting tags, and we call it these tag pages. So for instance, let's look at the price. Okay, that's where you can find quite significant ideas, like let's say Peloton, right? Minus 13%. The question is, should you trade Peloton? So what you do, you go here, ask AI, and then you get to this page, okay? So for instance, it moved 3% today. Why did it move? And here is the button, okay? So that means it's not a significant one, but you still really want to find out whether or not it's moving. And then you click here, and then you're going to be able in a really 30 seconds to find out why it moved to a particular level. Sometimes it is a 15%, sometimes 20%, and then the question is why. That was my question at all times, to find out why before I trade. Okay, so here is digest. You see, Peloton closed plus 3% during regular trading hours, rebounding from prior sessions. Okay, boom. So you have kind of simple bullet explanation. But if you want to find out more, what you do, you can create a blog, one-click blogging. Why Peloton price moved today. You click here and you're going to be able to create a blog, which is going to give you even more in-depth analysis why it moved today. Okay? So yeah, I've been talking already a few minutes. I wanted to make this sweet and short. And I think it is giving you an idea that you're going to be able to see how quickly you can write the blog. And actually, you are invited to become our affiliate. So if you start generating more blogs and posting them to your Twitter account, you can post it in a different media and then attach your affiliate ID, you can make money. You simply because you learn. So you see, it's now, you see how well written blog is. Okay. Publish. And now, look, you come here on the left side, blogs and signals, boom. I have a really nicely produced blog. Okay. And this is a description of me as a contributor, and it really looks nice. Okay. So what else I wanted to cover? How to ask question why, trending robots, okay? So let me do something for trending robots, okay? So you come here, and with the one click of a button, you see these 4 tabs, and as you can see, here are really kind of 198% robots, and they are also divided by different topics. You see this one, for instance, 284, and I'm following at Elon Musk's Space Empire earnings. So the same thing. So we kind of out of almost 200, 300 robots we've produced so far, we're giving you great opportunities to use our extraction of the best trading robots, which you can find on this page. Okay? That's all what I wanted to tell you today. I really wanted to make it short, and that's going to be the end of the story. Thank you and goodbye.